folks, we're in for a really exciting one here for you today. Before we get into the video, if you can do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button, that would be wonderful. Helps other people enjoy these videos. But anyhow, I'm at a shop called Rodz-N-Muscle, and they're having an open house on May 17th from 10 to 5. And they're also having a car show at Lakeside 370 on May 23rd. So let's take a look around and see what kind of cool stuff we can find over here at the shop. When you walk into the shop, this is the building here. You're going to see some cars parked out front. We got this really cool Chevelle and this other race car here. You'll see these up here, I'm sure, during the open house, along with a ton of other cars. But these things are amazingly spectacular, without a doubt. This Chevelle is unbelievable. Look at this thing. Wow. This is a beauty for sure. Okay. All right, folks. Let's walk inside their shop and let's see what we can find in here. This is what you're going to see when you walk into the building. You're going to see all kinds of really cool photos of cars that they've done and trucks. Pretty cool, without a doubt. You've seen that car around?
It's at Jake 175 underscore. Get rid of the underscore. Yeah, that's Jake 175 underscore.
Very cool. All right, folks. Very neat. All right, folks, we're going to go inside the shop here and see what kind of neat stuff we can run across back there. Okay, folks, we're in the shop right now, and I'm going to turn around and let you look at it. But before we get too started, I want to let you know on that open house that they're having. They're going to have food up here, and God only knows how many cars, hopefully a bunch. And it's going to be a blast, so hopefully you guys can all come out and see it. But let's take a look at his shop here. Holy smokes, this is nice. Now, Henry, I'm Craig.
Henry McCoster, Rodz-N-Muscle. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Rodz-N-Muscle. Okay. What kind of work do you do here?
We do a lot of sheet metal work, full restoration. Most of our cars are pro touring.
Okay.
We're a Heights vendor, a Viking shock dealer. We do a lot of pro touring cars as well.
Okay. Very cool.
Most of our cars are full body off. You'll see them in a few minutes. We've done a Heights front end on this, LS swap blown. A lot of cage work on this one, a lot of back end work.
Wow, so you do all that in-house, huh?
All of it here. All of our sheet metal work's done here. We fab all our own rear ends. We've got the Chevelle here. This went to Chicago last year for Heights independent one-off rear end. This is a C6 Corvette rear end, full Heights front end. All new replacement metal. We're an AMD vendor for sheet metal, so everything gets sandblasted. Take a peek under it.
Yes. Wow. Man, you guys do some amazing work. Now, before I knew it was your shop, I have friends that had their cars up here and didn't know it was your shop that built it.
Yeah.
And I was completely amazed of how well those vehicles run and how they sound.
This one, we drug this one. This is a buddy of mine's car. Up northern, almost to Iowa. Pulled it out of the woods, mile and a half back. All new sheet metal on it. Wow. LS swap, 9-inch rear end. Ladder bars, Viking shocks. Heights front end on it. All the paint work's mine. It's all carbon fiber.
Holy smokes. Look at that thing. You guys can trick these things out, can't you? That is amazing. These things are beautiful.
And then we've got Dave Slimmer's 72 split bumper. All new sheet metal on this, floor pan, doors, quarters.
Yeah.
Detroit Speed mini tub. We just got the glass and the headliner put in this last week.
Wow.
This one should be at the show.
Okay. You gonna have it done by then?
No. This customer, we're only taking it to a roller type chassis. I got a rear end to build for it, and the rest of the body to block and buff, and it's pretty much his.
Wow.
And then we've got a full Detroit Speed car here, a 66 Mustang Fastback. Shaved the fender wells, got an LS swap going in it.
Yeah.
Detroit Speed front end, Detroit Speed rear end, everything on it. This one just came back from the sandblaster last week. We put torque boxes in it, and now we're swapping a 2018 Mustang floor pan firewall to get engine angle correct.
Wow.
And then we got a 72 Challenger here. We just finished all the exhaust, brake, stainless fuel feed lines underneath this car. We do all our own stainless TIG work here. Everything's mandrel bent tubing and
Wow. I tell you what, this looks as nice underneath as it does on the top.
this car is really pretty on top. There's as much time in the fuel lines as there is exhaust.
Wow. Now folks, if you guys need anything done with your vehicle, be sure to come up here and see Henry and his guys. They're just unbelievably skilled, for sure. Very, very nice. This is going to be a beauty for sure. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful color.
This one's not been blocked and buffed yet either.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, most of that's straight out of the gun. And then we've got a full fab shop.
Okay.
This is this is a 65 Ken Block tribute car. We've got extensive metal work on it.
Oh, I can tell by looking at it. Look at that thing.
There's 150 hours in the back bumper, 200 hours in the front. Full chassis car, back half, heights front end,
Wow.
9-inch.
It's just amazing the work that you guys put into these vehicles out here. Look at this, folks. Look at the body work on this, what they had to do. And the back bumper. It's just, you just don't see quality work like this anywhere but here. Nowhere but here will you see something like this. This is amazing. What are these things poking out here?
Clecos. So this fender well is in process of being mated to TIG weld,
Okay.
like the back one. So these,
Yeah.
you can take these on and off 200 times and never have a problem.
Oh, nice.
Whereas if you use screws, you strip them out. But
Okay,
this is
gotcha,
in the
yeah.
process of scribing the outside line
Okay.
and then pairing it back together and then TIG welding it all the way
Very
across.
cool. Yeah.
Everything up in here is tube chassis, coyote swap.
Wow. Wow, this is unbelievable. This is too cool. Man, the work that you guys put into something like this.
A lot of hours.
Oh, I can tell. Lots and
hours.
lots and lots of hours for sure. Amazing stuff. Got the Shelby wheel too, huh?
2018 powertrain, pretty
Yeah.
much.
This is
Yeah,
really
we've
nice.
got pretty much everything we need for sheet metal fabrication. Pullmax, Bridgeport lathe, English wheel, ironworker. We weld stainless, aluminum,
Wow.
titanium,
Yeah.
DOM.
Huh. I tell you what, that sure is, that's really neat to see how this type of work is done with those big pieces of machinery and skilled craftsmen.
That's a World War II
Really?
piece of machinery.
Wow. All right, folks, let's take a look around the shop here. This is really a nice shop. This is a shop to be proud of, you know?
Thank you.
Yeah, it really is. Very, very nice.
Open house, May 17th. We'll have food. More than welcome to come out, check out the shop.
Okay, that sounds great.
Everybody's welcome.
That sounds great. That's what I like to hear for sure. Hopefully we get a good turnout on this. I love your logo.
Thank you.
Did you design that yourself, or?
Sir. Actually, that guy's niece is in architectural engineering in college. 3 tries she had.
Wow, amazing. Amazing. All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Show Me Your Car. If you did, click on the little logo up there to subscribe. It's free to do. And over here on this side right here was the last video I just did. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. I really do appreciate it.